Can you believe this? The judge who rigged the trial now suddenly cares about political meddling? Yeah, pull the other one. Today's video is all about how Judge Juan Merchan's decision to delay Trump's sentencing until after the election is really about saving his own skin. We'll break it down and expose the absurdity. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know that according to the analytics, of everybody that watches my videos, only about 35% now actually hit the subscribe button. So do me a favor. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button because it helps us with the algorithm to get our message out to more people. Thanks. All right, let's talk about Judge Juan Merchan. You know, the guy who ran Trump's trial like a rigged carnival game. Yeah, that Merchan. Now, suddenly, he's all concerned about the appearance of political meddling and has decided to push Trump's sentencing until after the election. How convenient, right? Well, let's not forget how this all started. Merchan presided over Trump's trial, which was a farce from the very beginning. Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan DA, magically turned expired state misdemeanors into federal felonies. A feat so illegal, it would make any law student cringe. And to make things worse, Merchan denied Trump's legal team the right to call a Federal Election Commission witness who could have testified that Trump broke no federal election laws. Suspicious? You bet. But now, with the election looming, Merchan suddenly playing Mr. Fair Judge? Don't believe it. You've got to wonder, what's really behind this move? Could it be that Merchan's feeling the heat? I mean, after all, critics were hoping to see Trump sentenced before the election, but Merchan pulled the plug on that idea. Is he trying to cover his own tracks or just buy himself some time? Something smells off here, and it's not just the legal process. In a 4-page decision, Merchan said that he wants to avoid any appearance of bias. Really, Judge? You think delaying this circus trial is going to make people forget how you stacked the deck against Trump from the very start? Please, don't make us laugh and don't insult our intelligence. Merchan said, adjourning decision on the motion and sentencing should dispel any suggestion that the court will have issued any decision or imposed sentence either to give an advantage to or to create a disadvantage for any political party. Yeah, right. The damage is already done, pal. You did your job for the administration. But here's the kicker. Trump's lawyers have been fighting to get these charges thrown out based on a Supreme Court ruling about presidential immunity. And now Merchan is considering it? Let's get real, folks. He's just trying to save face. This guy was handpicked by the Biden Justice Department to run this kangaroo court, and now he's starting to sweat. He's looking for a way out without completely destroying his credibility. I think that's a little bit too late at this point. And get this, the jury in Trump's trial served diligently, according to Merchan. Oh, sure they did. Under the judge who bent over backward to make sure the only outcome was guilty. Now, with the presidential election around the corner, he's pretending to care about respecting Trump's constitutional rights again. Give me a break. This whole case has been a witch hunt from the start. Stephen Chung, a spokesman for Trump's campaign, hit the nail on the head, saying there should be no sentencing in the Manhattan DA's election interference witch hunt. Now, he's right, and it's about time someone called out the blatant political bias at play here. Let's not forget the original charges were tied to the 2016 election involving a hush money payment to the porn whore Stormy Daniels. But Merchan and Bragg twisted this case into something far more sinister, all to take down Trump, which was their goal. And now that the clock is ticking on the 2024 election, they're trying to walk it back. Sounds like someone's feeling the pressure. So what's going to happen next? Will Merchan throw out the charges entirely, or is he just stalling? One thing's for sure, this story is far from over. You see, I think he may be reading the tea leaves. And he's realizing that Trump has a really good shot at winning. And if Trump wins, he's coming for everyone who so blatantly broke the law to try to take him down. All right. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell if you want to be kept up to date on the latest of Trump's legal battles. I'll see you in the next one. Spread the word.
It's hard to understand why some people put their head in the sand in a world thirst on.